I made it through everything I never thought I would. Hell and back, now I'm here and it just feels so good. We're alive, we can breathe, now let's break some rules. It's time to jump.